Learn how to undo a reconciled bank statement line using remove and redo. First, find the reconciled bank statement line. From the home page, click the relevant bank account. Then, in the Account Transactions tab, use the Search button to find the statement line. Search by description, amount, and within a date range. In this example, we'll enter 960, then select the Exact Amount checkbox and click Search. Here we have a customer payment that we've reconciled to Boom FM. But the payment is actually from a different customer, who we also invoiced for 960 on the same day. To undo the reconciliation, select the checkbox for the transaction. Then, click Remove and Redo, and click Yes to confirm. The bank statement line returns to the bank reconciliation page to be re-reconciled. Use Remove and Redo to make sure you've reconciled bank statement lines correctly.